guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is David, and if that's your first time on my channel, I do drone and tech related videos. If you're into those things, consider subscribing and like this video. Enough of me being boring, let's see what we have today for the review. So this is what I would call really good beginner drone if you want to get in a hobby without spending a fortune on it. It's called the DEERC D50. Surprisingly, it comes in a carrying case, which can also be a shoulder bag with provided straps. Of course, we have some papers that we don't read. It's always great to see a full set of extra propellers, and I think all companies should do that. This version comes with 2 batteries, so that's why we have 2 USB to micro USB cables. Battery is 3.7 volts 1500 mAh, which gets around 12 minutes of flight time. Since there are 2, we can get up to 24 minutes, which is plenty to play with the drone. Phone holder and propeller guards are also included. Remote controller uses 4 AA batteries. It has plenty of buttons, which are very good explained. The battery slides from the bottom and clicks in place. Turn on the controller and the drone and let's see how it flies. Attaching landing legs is pretty easy, just put them in the right place. Open the app, calibrate the drone, and you are ready. By the way, if you guys are looking to buy or just to see the current price of the drone, links will be in the description below. Make sure you click those. If you wanna support the channel, buy from the affiliate links to support me passively. Every little bit helps and comes back to the channel. It goes back to you guys in one way. Like the video if you like it, or dislike, it's completely your choice. Thanks for sticking around and watching the video. Stay yourself.